crazy hair day. Hello. Welcome to another art vlog. I'm sorry, I have so much baby hairs and flyaways. I usually don't do anything to my hair, so it's a little messy. Anyways, hello. I thought I'd start off my art vlog. I really love filming these and making these, and it kind of also pushes me to just be more creative. You know, I was feeling a little bit unmotivated after my launch because I worked so hard for that, and now it's like done, and I'm trying to figure out like the next thing. It's like always one of those things, like once you work towards something and it's done, it's like trying to find the next thing and also enjoying the process of it. As an artist, like I'm still trying to navigate this, and especially with something that I genuinely love and I want to take care, and I'm making this into business as well, and want to make sure that my relationship with art is healthy, where I'm not sacrificing myself as an artist, you know, and just navigating that. So sometimes even like taking some time away, it kind of helps, and that's what I did last week. But anyways, I just kind of thought I'd share a little bit of like what kind of goes on. I did get an order, and my first Mary order, so I wanted to show you my little process of how I package it, and it's very exciting. It's like the start of something new, and I'm like, okay, we're doing this. It's like you're taking a dive into a very deep pool, and you can't really see what's at the bottom. Not pool, an ocean, yeah, because you can't see what's at the bottom. So yes. Oh, also, there's a lot of fun things happening in the near future. I am going to be traveling within Canada. It's going to be an awesome road trip, so I'm going to document that. Okay, let's get this art vlog started. So today I got an order from my wonderful friend, and she bought this piece, and I'm just wrapping this up for her. I'm actually using the stamp from No Issue as well as a craft mailer, and I've been learning a lot about packaging, and No Issue has been really kind enough to send me them, and I really like the quality of it, and I absolutely love the stamp that I customized for it. I feel like it's so me, and I am excited to be shipping more of these babies to you guys. If you guys want to check out No Issue, I will leave their website in my description box, and if you guys want to check out my shop, you guys are more than welcome to do so at thereshegos.ca. I will be updating my store frequently because I am in the works of some more lovely pieces. So I was kind of feeling a little rough earlier this week. I sometimes get into this weird headspace where I'm not really in the mood to like paint or anything. So what kind of helps me get started into that process of being creative is even just having my journal that I have here. This is my creative art journal where I will just like doodle, put stickers, just to kind of freehand everything, just really not overthinking it, because I tend to overthink a lot when it comes to just painting in general and sketching. So yeah, I was just doodling here, and that's what I made. That's kind of what inspired me to create it, based off of the stickers. And I also wanted to journal this day. I am such big earth energy in my birth chart, so I love being grounded by nature. I love going to parks, I love just laying on the grass, and that is my me time and for me to just like fill my own cup. The next day, I actually got really inspired. Again, I love going on Pinterest because you can find so many different things. I found this beautiful picture of this rose in the sunlight, and it has like the shadow against it. And I really wanted to experiment with that with shadows, but I thought it'd be really interesting to learn how to paint a piece like this. And I was struggling a little bit at first, but then I just kept going and just went with it. And that is how it turned out. I feel like it turned out okay. Still needs a little bit more work. But then I was really eager to start sketching. So that's what I did here, and I am sketching this beautiful girl. Again, found this picture on Pinterest, and I am just sketching out her face. I feel like sometimes it's also great to take breaks from painting and just getting into sketching. So I've definitely been super inspired by other artists that I do follow and also learn through their Patreon, such as Hamina Reno and as well as Ellie Smallwood. I'm a big fan of Ellie Smallwood's work. I'm just kind of using her technique on how she's doing portraits. And of course, I couldn't stop there, so I wanted to actually sketch a skull and just like the different sides of it. I was trying to replicate this picture I found on Pinterest. That's also another thing, a way for you to learn, is seeing someone's artwork that you admire and just copying it, but just for your own learning.
So I was trying to sketch this skull out, and I really liked the first one. I did not like the other ones. I kind of felt like it was not as proportioned, so I ended up scrapping the other ones, but I kept the first one.
So I'm really happy with how this turned out. I really like the skull. It's really different. Something I'm kind of like experimenting is really working with anatomy. The face, I feel like I could still practice and do more, but I liked how it turned out. And yeah, today I'm going to be painting with acrylics, and I want to practice more on the face. Today I just kind of felt like dressing up, so that's why I'm wearing this outfit. Yeah, I might work outside later at a coffee shop just because it's really nice out and I've been cooped up here just inside my room. Sometimes it's very comforting, and sometimes I'm like, I feel FOMO because it's so sunny outside, so I might go outside, take myself out on a little date.
Alright, I was really inspired by this beautiful Asian model. I really wanted to draw and paint her, and I kind of just did my own thing with this. I think it's been about a couple weeks now since I've actually painted a portrait, so I was a little bit rusty on trying to understand like the values and the highlights as well as like the shadow. I typically find that whenever I take a lot of time away from that, I do get a bit rusty. So this is kind of a very abstract way of painting this portrait. Honestly, I was close to actually cutting this clip out and not adding it into this art vlog, but I also, at the same time, I feel like every artist, they're good and they're bad and they're ugly, and just ones that they attempted but it no longer works. And I feel like it's really important to show that, just to share with you guys that like I am not perfect and I have my days where even I'm not really into a piece that I'm painting, and again, it's also like a learning process for me. So yeah, I didn't complete it. Now that I'm like editing this and looking back, it does have like a really crazy like abstract kind of feel, which again, some people might dig it and some people might hate it. With art, it's very subjective, so you can take it as you will. It's really important to kind of learn from your errors and your mistakes and failures as well. Now that I'm saying this out loud, I feel like saying failures is not the best word for it, because I always feel like there's always something to learn from and grow from. But yeah, that's essentially how it turned out. And I also, because I didn't do that well painting that portrait, I wanted to sketch this portrait, and that's what I came up with. And yeah, I went back to the park again to finish that off, and I am going to fill up that entire wall of sketches. I've decided that. So that is everything for this art vlog. I hope you guys enjoy it. It's a very long one. And thank you so much for watching. If you guys dig my stuff, feel free to pop over onto my website where I also sell my original artwork at thereshegoes.ca. Take care, my loves. Bye.